I was rolling down the highway, had to get back to my place. When I'm putting up hay, I gotta say it's like being in a race. I gotta beat the weather, I gotta make good time. I gotta get those bales rolled up before the day is mine.
Rolling with a rebel, rolling up just fine. Rolling with a rebel, I'm making hay and that rebel's doing fine.
The clouds are rolling my way, rain's coming, so they say. The kids want attention, and did I mention I've got to put up hay? I've got to make a meeting that they're holding back in town. I've got to get the roof fixed, not much time to fool around.
Rolling with a rebel, rolling up just fine. Rolling with a rebel, I'm making hay and that rebel's doing fine.
My rebel's doing fine. I like the way they're thinking at that place they call Vermeer. They made a baler just for me, and it's time to get in gear. My tractor ain't a big boy, I don't need a ton of power. With the Rebel on the back, I'm right on track. I'll be done in a couple of hours.
Rolling with the rebel, rolling up just fine. Rolling with the rebel, I'm making hay and that rebel's doing I'm making hay and that rebel's doing fine.
Now my field is full of big round bales. For now, that's one job done. I beat the weather, I beat the clock. I guess this time I won. I'll unhitch that yellow baler and it'll sit there for a while. But the hay is gonna grow, and you and I know it all starts again. But I'll start it with a smile.
Rolling with the rebel,
with the rebel,
rolling up just fine.
Doing just fine.
Rolling with the rebel, I'm making hay and that rebel's just a rolling with the rebel.
Rolling with the rebel,
rolling up just fine.
Doing just fine.